Oven roasted potatoes recipe. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. These oven roasted potatoes are the perfect side dish for any meal, packed with flavor from paprika, chili, garlic, and herbs. This recipe is quick, easy, and guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. Ingredients: for large potatoes, peeled and cubed, 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon salt, or to taste, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon onion seeds, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon dried garlic, 1/2 teaspoon dried dill. Instructions: preheat the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. Prepare the potatoes, peel, and cut them into bite-sized cubes. Mix the seasoning. In a large bowl, combine the red pepper flakes, salt, chili powder, paprika, onion seeds, fennel seeds, dried garlic, and dried dill. Coat the potatoes. Add the potato cubes to the seasoning mixture and stir until evenly coated. Arrange for roasting. Spread the potatoes in a single layer on a roasting pan or baking sheet. Roast. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes, turning occasionally, until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy on the edges. Serve hot. Enjoy your delicious oven-roasted potatoes as a side dish with chicken, beef, or your favorite vegetarian main. Tip for extra crispiness. Soak the cubed potatoes in cold water for 20 minutes before roasting. Pat dry completely, then season and bake.